Hello everybody, how are you doing? Today I'll be teaching you Springboard. Please take out your Springboard book 4. Today is the first lesson. 4. Okay, so please take out your Springboard workbook 4. Make sure you have the correct workbook. And also please take out your pupil book. We are going to talk about it today, so please take it out. Good job. Let's turn to page 46 for our today's content. So the first thing we need to do is have a look on some vocabularies. Alright, on page number 46. And our topic for today is we are going to go camping. So here are some of the vocabularies which we need to listen and repeat. Alright, we are going to go camping. So have you ever gone camping, or are you going to go camping soon? Do you know what is camping? In camping, like, you need to bring a tent, and like mostly people would go camping with their friends, right? Maybe in school, right? You need to bring a tent and your belongings, and then you go out like to stay. All right, you can like put the tent anywhere, like in the nature. All right, so this is what we call camping. So let's have a look on part 1. Listen and repeat. So I'm going to play the soundtrack and then you need to repeat.
FCE for schools.
Sorry.
Exercise 1, page 46. Listen and repeat.
Jeans,
Jeans.
t-shirt,
T-shirt.
swimming trunks,
Swimming trunks.
swimsuit,
Swimsuit.
sunglasses,
Sunglasses.
trainers,
Trainers.
suitcase,
Suitcase.
handbag,
Handbag.
camp,
Camp.
camper,
Camper. Alright everybody, let's repeat the vocabularies that you have just listened to. Jeans, t-shirt, swimming trunks, swimsuit, sunglasses, trainers, suitcase, handbag, camp, camper. So in this vocabulary, lots of things, other stuff you bring while you go camping, right? Your belongings, such as trainers, sunglasses, swimsuit, swimming trunks, t-shirt, jeans, suitcase, handbag, right? So everybody, please remember the spelling of them, because we are going to do an exercise related to the vocabularies and its spelling. So yeah, let's have a look on part 2. Part 2 is listen and write yes or no. Alright, part 2, you just need to listen and write yes or no. So let's get started.
Exercise 2, page 46. Listen and write yes or no.
And look at Florida. It's going to be really hot and sunny all week. So for those who...
Look, it's going to be really hot in Florida. Great!
We're going to have a fantastic time in summer camp.
Are you going to take your camera with you?
Of course, and I'm going to take my swimsuit too.
Come on, children. You're going to be late. Where's Eddie?
Here he is. Look, he's got his skis.
Eddie, why are you wearing your winter clothes?
Isn't it cold in Florida?
Oh, Eddie!
Alright, let's check the answers. Number 1. Let's read. It's going to be hot in Florida. Yes or no? Yes, right? Yes, it is going to be really hot in Florida. So that is a yes. How about number 2? Alright, number 2 is Andy's wearing his summer clothes. Yes or no? No. Right? What's he wearing? Eddie's wearing his winter clothes, right? Not summer clothes. So that's why it is a no. The following part number 3, you need to listen again and then you need to read. There are 4 pictures in total. So let's get started by listening to it. After that, we are going to read.
Exercise 3, page 46. Now, listen again and read.
And look at Florida. It's going to be really hot and sunny all week. So for those who...
Look, it's going to be really hot in Florida. Great!
We're going to have a fantastic time in summer camp.
Are you going to take your camera with you?
Of course, and I'm going to take my swimsuit too.
Come on, children. You're going to be late. Where's Eddie?
Here he is. Look, he's got his skis.
Eddie, why are you wearing your winter clothes?
Isn't it cold in Florida?
Oh, Eddie!
So everybody, we are done listening to it. Right now we need to read, all right, to complete this part. So let's get started. All right, picture 1, let's read. Look, it's going to be really hot in Florida. Great. We are going to have a fantastic time in summer camp. So what is the meaning of fantastic? Fantastic means superb, means very, very good. Okay. Picture 2. Are you going to take your camera with you? Of course. And I am going to take my swimsuit too. Picture 3. Come on, children. You are going to be late. Where's Eddie? Here he is. Look, he's got his skis. Picture 4. Eddie, why are you wearing your winter clothes? Isn't it cold in Florida? So we are done reading this part. So this page is completed. Now let's move on to page number 47, part 4. Look and say. So there are, alright, some weather, let's say some adjective, alright, some adjective about the weather, alright, in Florida. We need to look and say. So for picture 1, it shows you, alright, a picture of Florida, of course, right? And underneath you will see the word be hot. So this, alright, this boy over here said, it is going to be hot. Going to. Alright, I'm going to teach you how to use is, am, or going to soon. Okay, so let's complete this part. So let's do it. It's going to be hot. That's number 1, right? Number 2. So what phrase do you see underneath the picture? Be windy, right? Be windy. Be and windy. So we need to, how do we say that? Alright, using going to, we will say it is going to be windy, right? It is going to be windy in Florida, or it is just going to be windy, no problem. And 3, the action verb is rain. It is going to rain. It is going to rain. How about number 4? Be cold. So how do we say that? Using be going to. It is going to be cold. 5. The verb is snow. So how do we say that? It is going to snow. 6. It is going to be cloudy. Be cloudy. Alright, so remember to say. Let's say that for the one last time. Picture 1. It is going to be hot. B. It is going to be windy. 3. It is going to rain. 4. It is going to be cold. 5. It is going to snow. 6. It is going to be cloudy. Alright, everybody. So today, the grammar item that we are going to learn is be going to. Be going, oh, sorry. Alright, be going to. Alright, be going to. So what indicates be? Remember? That is, am, are. We use be going to talk about the future. Okay? We use be going to talk about the future. I'm going to tell you in detail later. Okay, I'm going to explain later. Let's watch a video for this grammar item. Let's see how do we use it, when do we use it. Okay, how do we use in a normal sentence, means positive sentence. All right, how do we use in a question and a negative sentence. All right, so here is a video for you to watch. So let's get started.
Be going to. Be going to is used to refer a decision taken before the moment of speaking, an intention. I'm going to buy a new car. A conclusion regarding the immediate future. It's going to rain soon. Going to, affirmative. Full form. I am He, she, it is. We, you, they are. Short form. I'm. He's, she's, it's. We're, you're, they're. Plus going plus infinitive. To eat. He's going to eat. Study. I'm going to study hard to pass my exams. Intention. It's going to rain soon. Conclusion. Eat. She is going to eat an apple. Conclusion. Swim. He's going to swim. Conclusion. Cook. We are going to cook lunch. Intention. Run. They are going to run. Conclusion. Going to negative. Full form. I am not. He, she, it is not. We, you, they are not. Short form. I'm not. He isn't. She isn't. It isn't. We aren't. You aren't. They aren't. Plus going plus infinitive. To read. He isn't going to read. Play. I'm not going to play tennis later. Rain. It's not going to rain soon. Catch. She's not going to catch the bus. Eat. He is not going to eat that. Sing. We are not going to sing. Travel. They are not going to travel by train. Going to interrogative. Am I? Is he, she, it? Are we, you, they? Going plus infinitive. Are you going to call me tonight? Yes, I am. Is she going to play the guitar? Yes, she is. Is he going to buy a new car? Yes, he is. Are they going to play basketball? No, they aren't. They're going to play football. Ghana. Some native English speakers often use gonna instead of going to. They are gonna play football. informal English. It is spoken language and only appropriate in informal conversation.
Alright everybody, we are done with video watching. Now let's have a look on the grammar item that we have learned. Alright, move back to our pupil book, page number 47. So when do we use be going to? Let's have a look here. Let's have a look here. This table. Alright. So we use be going to in many situations. One of them is, let's say, when we talk about a fixed future event. Okay, for example, I am going to watch a movie coming Sunday. Coming Sunday is a fixed event, right? So that's why we use going to. Okay, let's have a look on the rules. How do we form it? So you know, for I, for subject with I, we use am, right? And then going to. For subject you, we use are. Alright, you are going to. I am going to. For subject with he, she, it, we use is, right? He is going to play. She is going to play. It is going to play. We, you, they are going to play. So why there are two subject pronoun you here? Remember, you can be both singular and plural. Okay? You and somebody, alright, can be also considered subject pronoun you. Plural one. Singular, you. Alright, one person. But remember, it's forever in plural form. You do not say you is, right? You would forever say you are, no matter it is singular or plural. Remember that. And what do we have to do with the verb? I am going to play. So does the verb change? Remember, the verb does not change here. Be careful, okay? The verb does not change here. It's called infinitive. Okay? After to, we use infinitive. We do not add s or es or ed. The verb should be in original form. Okay? Same with the negative form. Alright. I am not going to play. You are not going to play. He, she, it is not going to play. We, you, they are not going to play. Okay? And in question, alright, let's have a look in question. So question is different, right? Question, alright, there are some changes. Alright, we put be first. Alright, the verb to be at the beginning, and then subject, then going to verb. For example, am I going to play? Are you going to play? Is he, she, it going to play? Are we, you, they going to play? So there are some short form we can use. For example, we can use in our writing, of course, or even speaking, right? You are going to becomes you're going to. You and then apostrophe or e going to. She is going to becomes she's going to. You are not going to becomes you aren't going to. She isn't going to becomes she is not coming to she is not going to becomes she isn't going to, something like that. And in the video, have you noticed that at the last, let's say at the last 30 seconds, the video told that we can use gonna instead of going to. Alright, we can use it, but only in conversation. Do you know what's conversation? Means while speaking informal language. Okay, we can use gonna in informal language, but not in writing. We can use it while we are talking. Alright? So yeah, remember when to use going to. So we are going to use this grammar item throughout the lesson. So please be careful how do we use it. Okay? Let's have a look on part 5. Look, say, and write. Okay, you need to use the verb buy, play, plant, watch to complete this part. Picture number 1 has been done for you. It has used the word plant actually. So you are going to use the rest of the verbs that are given, including buy, play, and watch. So let's have a look on example 1. He is going to plant some flowers. Alright, here we use is going to because the subject here is he, right? So that's why we use is going to. Now let's have a look on 2. I'm going to do 2 with you, 3 and 4 you do it, okay? They space badminton. So what action can you do with badminton? You can buy it, you can play it, or you can watch it. 3 of them, of course, are appropriate, but look at the picture. What are they going to do? Play, right? So how do we say that? Subject they, we use are, right? So we would write they are going to play. Simple as that, right? So they are going to play badminton. Please do 3 and 4 by yourselves, and your time starts now. Let's check our answers. 3. She space a suitcase. What do you see in the picture? A suitcase with a price tag, right? So basically she is, am, or are going to buy a suitcase. Is, right? She is going to buy a suitcase. Right. 4. They space a film. They are going to watch a film. Right? Good job. Check your answers. We are done with part 5 actually. Now let's move on to part number 6, which is listening. Listen and put a tick or a cross. Okay? There's an example. So please have a look. Alright, I'm going to start the listening now. So please be ready.
Exercise 6, page 47. Listen and put a tick or a cross.
Hello, Doris. Where are you going?
Well, I'm going to the shops. I need some things for my holiday.
Oh, what are you going to buy?
Well, I'm going to buy some sunglasses, of course. It's sunny in Spain, you know.
Oh, Spain. How lovely.
Yes, and I'm going to buy a new swimsuit. Oh, and a hat too.
Are you going to buy some jeans and a t-shirt?
No, dear. I don't wear jeans or t-shirts, but I'm going to buy some trainers.
What about a handbag, Doris?
No, I'm not going to buy a handbag, dear. I've got a lot of handbags, but I'm going to buy a new camera.
A camera?
Yes, dear. I'm going to take a lot of photos of me and Mr. Rossi on holiday.
Oh, that's nice. Have a lovely holiday, dear.
So what is Doris going to buy? She's going to buy sunglasses, right? Swimsuit. What else? Hat. What else? Trainers. And a camera. But she isn't going to buy jeans. She isn't going to buy a t-shirt. She isn't going to buy a handbag. Right. So please check your answers. Now ask and answer. So just like this. There are two examples underneath this part. Is Doris going to buy sunglasses? Yes, she is. Is Doris going to buy a handbag? No, she isn't. Let's do the next item. Is Doris going to buy a swimsuit? Yes, she is. Is Doris going to buy a hat? Yes, she is. Is she going to buy jeans? No, she isn't. Is she going to buy a t-shirt? No, she isn't. Is she going to buy trainers? Yes, she is. Is she going to buy a camera? Yes, she is. So we are done with ask and answering. We are done with asking and answering. Now let's have a look on part 7, which is listen and repeat, then talk with your friend. Basically, we need to talk looking at the suitcase below. So let's listen, okay, and repeat. Then we are going to talk a little bit about it. So let's get started.
Exercise 7, page 47. Listen and repeat, then talk with your friend.
Are you going to take your camera with you?
Yes, of course. I'm going to take my swimsuit too.
Alright everybody, let's start with the discussion by repeating it. Are you going to take your camera with you? Yes, of course. I'm going to take my swimsuit too. Okay, so look at the suitcase and ask and answer. So let's get started. Maybe a friend would ask you, are you going to take your jeans with you? Yes, of course. I am going to take my trainers too. Something like that, right? You can ask many questions. For example, are you going to take your sunglasses with you? No, I'm not. Something like that. Oh, there are sunglasses. There is a pair of sunglasses. So you can say, so let me repeat that. All right, let me correct myself. Are you going to take your sunglasses with you? Yes, of course. I am going to take my t-shirt too. All right, everybody. We will discuss this part once you're back, because that should be done with your friend, right? So we will discuss these parts once you're back. So let's get started with our workbook right now, because we are done with part number 7. Please turn to your workbook, page number 1. Workbook, page number 1. We are going to go camping. Workbook, page 1. It says look, stick, and write. So we have already staked the pictures for you. You just need to write the spelling of the words you have learned. So try to close your pupil book and do this part. I'm going to do 2 examples with you. Let's have a look on the first example. The first one is t-shirt. Remember, t-shirt doesn't have any buttons. Okay, so that's why it's a t-shirt. But if a shirt has buttons, alright, we call it a shirt, not a t-shirt. Remember, t-shirt is spelled as T-S-H-I-R-T. What is number 2? What does picture number 2 show you? It shows jeans, right? So how to spell jeans? How to spell jeans? J-E-A-N-S. Good job. How about number 3? You take this when you're traveling or when you are going camping. When you are going to go camping. That is a suitcase, right? How to spell suitcase? That is S-U-I-T-C-A-S-E. You put your belongings inside your suitcase, right? Like your sunglasses, your jeans, your t-shirt, and many more. Please complete 4 to 6 by yourself, and your time starts now. Number 4. Alright, what is the answer for number 4? The picture shows you handbag, right? So how to spell handbag? Handbag is spelled as Handbag. 5. Sunglasses. How to spell? Sunglasses. 6 is swimsuit. Swimsuit. Okay? So please check your answers. Now let's have a look on part 2. Look and write. So you need to write about different weathers, alright? For different places. For example, Madrid. Number 1 is Madrid, right? And the picture shows, alright, Mr. Sun is feeling super hot. So the example is, it is going to be hot in Madrid. Alright, remember, hot is not a verb, it's an adjective. It's an adjective. So we will say it is going to be hot. Be is the verb. Okay? Next one. Alright. Rom. What do you see in this picture? Mr. Sun is wearing a scarf and shaking. So is it hot or cold? Cold, right? So how would you say that? It is going to cold in Rom. Is cold an adjective or a verb? An adjective. So we will use be, cold. Okay, so it or it's. It is or it's, okay. It's going to be cold. Cold in Rom. It's going to be cold in Rom. So there are 2 examples that has been done for you, right? Please do 3 to 5. Alright, please look at the picture and then do it. Okay, let's get started. Number 3, London. What do you see in the picture in 3? You will see some clouds, right? That is blowing out some wind. So it is or it's going to be. It's going to be, all right. The weather that has lots of wind is called windy, okay? It's going to be windy in London. 4, New York. So how is the weather in New York? How is the weather going to be in New York? You will see a picture. All right, that rains. So rain is a verb. So you're straightly gonna say it's going to. You can say it's going to rain, or you can use the adjective rainy. If you use rainy, remember to add be. Okay, if you use the verb rain, so just add rain after to, okay? It's going to rain in New York. Or if your answer is it's going to be rainy in New York, all right, it is reasonable, it's correct, okay? Same as Paris. In the picture, you'll see snow. All right, adjective for snow is snowy. Rain, snow can be both verb and adjective, but you need to change something by adding y. Rain becomes rainy, okay? Snow becomes snowy. So you can say it's going to snow, or you can say it's going to be snowy. Both of them are correct, okay? In Paris. All right. Good. Now let's have a look on page 2. All right, page 2 is here at the top. It's here at the top actually. Yeah. 3, what are they going to do? Look, match, in write. So number 1 actually has been done for you. Oscar and Eddie are going to go sailing. So that is B, which has been done for you, right? How about Wendy? Look at 2. Wendy and Len are going to play tennis, going to water the flowers, going to cook lunch, or going to cycle in the park. That is cycle in the park, right? So that is E. Please write E here, okay? I'll do one more. The rest of it, I'm going to leave it to you to do it. All right, Barry. 3, Barry. So what is Barry going to do? Barry's going to play tennis, water the flowers, cook lunch, or have a bath. According to picture 3, Barry is going to play tennis. Right? So that is A. Please do 4 to 6 on your own. Number 4, Hilda. What is Hilda going to do? Water the flowers, cook lunch, or have a bath? Hilda is going to water the flowers. So which is C. Five. What is Masset going to do today? Not today, sorry. That day, never mind. Masset is going to have a bath, which is F, according to the picture, right? 6. Cindy and Len are going to cook lunch. D. So please check your answers. Make sure you have write the correct letters on the line and you have drawn it. Yeah, you have matched it. Okay, now let's have a look on part 4. Alright, part 4, you need to have a look on a little, let's say, note over here that tells you about Maggie's planning of the week, right? For Monday to Friday, from Monday to Friday, yeah. So Tuesday has been done for you. So first, you need to use these words, alright, that are stated in each question. And number 1, that is play, tennis, Tuesday. So you need to have a look on the part of Tuesday in the note, right? It says visit pool. Alright, the answer should be visit pool, right? But in the question, you need to follow the words that are stated. For example, number 1, you'll say play, tennis, Tuesday, question mark, right? So you have to ask question, all right, with the name of Maggie. Is Maggie going to play tennis on Tuesday? All right, the answer, you will find it in the little note, what is stated here, right here. It doesn't say that. It says that visit Paul. So that is, no, she isn't. She's going to visit Paul. She's going to visit Paul on Tuesday. Okay? Let's do number 2 together. All right. How would you ask question? Visit her cousin Monday. How do we form this as a question using Maggie? So Maggie is a singular pronoun, she. So we use is, right? Is Maggie going to, and then follow the one that's on number 2. Visit her cousin on Monday. Visit her cousin on, all right, Monday. So what's the answer? What's the answer? No, she isn't, right? According to here, she's going to play hockey. So first you need to write the answer. No, she isn't. Then you tell me what she's going to do. Okay, she is, or she is, okay. She's going to play hockey, right? According to her schedule of the week on Monday. Full sentence. All right, let's do number 3 together. Number 3, okay. You will see the word, okay, visit Paul Friday. You will ask is, oh, sorry, the spelling of Maggie is wrong here. Is Maggie going to visit her cousin on Monday? No, she isn't. She's going to play hockey on Monday. Okay, keep going on 3. Is Maggie going to visit Paul on Friday? Alright, is Maggie going to visit Paul on Friday? Is she? Look at the note. Does it match? No. She's going to buy some new jeans. So the answer is no. She isn't. She is or she's going to buy some new jeans on Friday. So remember to look at why I always spelled this wrong. Sorry. Alright. So please look at each questions, alright? Each words for the question, and then you write the question at the first line, alright? The answer, you need to have a look on the little note which she stated her schedule, and then you need to write the correct sentence, alright, according to the note here. So 4 and 5, I'm going to hand it over to you to do it, okay? Your time starts now. Number 4, you will see words go to the cinema Thursday. So how do we make question using these words? Is Maggie going to go to the cinema on Thursday? Right, this is how we ask. So 4, right, is Maggie going to go to the cinema on Thursday, I guess? Yeah. Thursday. Look at the chit, the little note. Is she? No, she isn't, right? She's going to visit her cousin on Thursday. So the answer is no, she isn't. She's going to visit her cousin on Thursday. And the last one, number 5. Alright, number 5 I'm not going to write. You listen to me, okay? Number 5, the words that are given or by some sunglasses. Wednesday. So, how do we make a question using these words? Is Maggie going to buy some sunglasses on Wednesday? No, she isn't. She is going to go to the cinema on Wednesday. Okay, so please check your answers and please do revision on the grammar item be going to at home. Alright, if you haven't completed this part, please complete this at home. Alright, I'm going to stop here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time. See you. Goodbye.